Erin McLean, Administrator at Raglan Industries. We are a custom trailer manufacturer located in Oshawa, Ontario. We fabricate almost any type of equipment, whether it be steel, aluminum, or stainless steel of any shape and size. We also repair construction and farm equipment and sell spare parts. We take pride in the quality of our equipment and our customer service. Raglan was founded by my grandfather in 1959. We're now moving towards a third generation. In making this transition, we knew we had to find a product to help us keep a competitive edge in our industry by increasing our output while maintaining our costs. To decrease the time from order placement to delivery, we knew we had to move away from the use of so much paper and transition towards computerized operations across our factory. It was important that our new ERP system could handle the different facets of our industry, such as being able to manage new builds, repairs, and selling parts. Our previous ERP system did not prove to have the potential to grow with us as a company. We ended up choosing Genius because it was clear from the demo that the software could meet our technical needs. And then when the Genius sales rep came to visit us and did a walkthrough of our factory, it was very clear he understood our industry and where we were and where we needed to be. When the Genius team arrived to start our implementation, it was very clear that they understood our specific needs and, most importantly, how to help us achieve them. It's more than just a computer system. It's an improvement on our operational processes. With Genius, we're confident we found a long-term partner as we continue to grow in our industry.